Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious pozole verde. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chicken breast, 110 ounces of hominy, 1 onion, 6 garlic cloves, 14 small green tomatillos, 3 Anaheim peppers, 2 chile poblanos, chile serrano, 5 lettuce leaves, 3 ounces of spinach, small bunch of cilantro, radishes, 4 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of marjoram, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, chicken bouillon, and salt. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by roasting all of our chiles. And the chile serranos is going to be depending on how spicy you want it. And just make sure that you wash them before you roast them. Alright guys, so after the chiles are fully roasted, we're going to place them inside a bag. Alright, so make sure you close it and seal it and let them steam for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, so in a large pot, we're going to bring about 20 cups of water to a boil. Alright guys, so once the water begins to boil, we're going to add our salt, our half an onion, 3 garlic cloves, 4 bay leaves, and our chicken breast. And I already washed them and cleaned them. So now we're just going to throw them in the water. And we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of oregano. Alright, so we're going to cover it and let that cook for about 25 minutes. I have it set at medium-high heat. Meanwhile, we're going to bring our tomatillos into a boil. Alright guys, so once our tomatillos have come to a boil, we're going to turn it off and strain them from the water. Alright, so we're also going to strain and rinse our hominy. So just make sure you rinse them real good. Alright guys, so now we're going to peel our chiles. So remove them from the bag. And you're going to also remove the stem and the seeds. And if you want to leave the seeds, that's up to you. To me, this is fine. So now we're just going to add them in the blender. Now we're just going to repeat the process to all of our chiles. Alright guys, so in our blender, we're going to add the leaves from our radishes. And just break them all like that. We're going to add our spinach. Our cilantro, our lettuce leaves. Alright, so I'm going to add 2 cups of my chicken broth. And we're going to blend it all together. Alright, so once that's blended, we're going to add our tomatillos. Our other half of an onion, our 3 garlic cloves, all of our spices along with 1 teaspoon of oregano. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 1 cup of hominy. So now we're going to blend it all together until we have a smooth sauce. Alrighty, so now we are ready to fry it. Alright guys, so at this point we are ready to remove our chicken from the broth. So like that, it gives us time to cool down and shred. So remove your chicken breast. You can also remove the onion if you like. Along with the garlic cloves. Okay, so we're going to let the chicken cool down. And now we're going to add our hominy into our broth. Okay, so now we can finish prepping our sauce. All right, so in a medium frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So we're going to wait for the oil to heat up. All right, so once that heats up, we're going to add our sauce and strain your sauce if you need to. I'm going to get some broth to get the rest of my sauce. But for now, we're just going to let our sauce come to a simmer. Okay, so while we wait for our sauce to come to a simmer, we're going to begin to shred our chicken. You can use your hands or your hand mixer, whatever is easier for you. Okay, guys, so once our sauce has come to a simmer, this is the consistency that you want. So now we're going to transfer into our pot. Okay, so just be careful. Just gonna grab everything. So now mix it all together. So now at this point you want to try it for salt. Remember that we added salt into our broth. So right now just check it. So I'm going to add about 1 more tablespoon of chicken broth, or chicken bouillon, sorry. Alright, so now we're going to add our chicken. So carefully add your chicken. So mix it all together. And now we're just going to let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, our chicken pozole is done. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our pozole is done and now we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve, you can top them with your favorite toppings. I'm going to add some cabbage, some radishes, some chile serranos, some avocado. I'm going to add more oregano, some onion, I love onion, and of course, some lime. And I like to eat my pozole with tortilla chips, so that's what we're gonna serve it with. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. And so are the kids. I'm gonna grab a little bit of everything. Still hot. It's super delicious. It's perfect. And super easy to make. Definitely, you guys need to try it. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a delicious pozole verde. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you create this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres